umenipendelea, sijibuni kwa chochote nilichokifanya, ila umenipendelea. Afya hii, pumzi hii, umenipendelea. Vyote nilivyo navyo, ulivyonipea, umenipendelea. Afya hii, neema, Yesu sijibuni kwa chochote nilichokifanya,
I want you to understand what we mean that the Lord has favored you in all your endeavors, in all that you've been doing. The Lord has been favoring you. I just want you to lift up your hands and just close your eyes, set your gaze upon the Lord. Tell him, umenipendelea, umenipendelea. Just raise up your voice. Don't be silent. Say, umenipendelea, umenipendelea. Sio kwa sababu naomba sana. Umenipendelea, Even as we continue, just understand it's by the Lord's doing. It's not by might, it's not by power, but by the Spirit of the living God. Amekupendelea kwa maisha yako, kwa kazi yako, in everything that you've been doing. It is the favor of the Lord that has been operating in your life. Oh my God. One more time. umenipendelea,
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 umenipendelea.
Wow, give them a clap. I said give them a clap, that is powerful. Machako School Christian Union Choir. Wamesema makofi. Mazuri Youth Staircase, please. Yes, that one. Yes. Yo. Thank you. Thank you. Choir, please. Christian Light Church.
Choir,
Use that
Christian
one.
Light